Hi guys, welcome to Thursday, April 16th. It is math time and we are adding two-digit numbers. Okay, the first one is add 21 and 18. 21 plus 18, well, we can do it a number of ways, but we could do it with counting on. It's a little more challenging that way. We can try doing it with our number bonds, but that's also a little more challenging. So we're going to choose to do it with place value because it was so easy yesterday. So we're going to take this number equation, 21 plus 18, and just make it, instead of going sideways, we're going to make it go up and down. So we're going to put the 21 up top, 18 down below, and add. Okay? Really easy. Now, the only thing we really need to remember is always add the ones column first, then add the tens. Okay? So let's start here. 1 plus 8. You can use your counting on to figure out what 1 plus 8 is. 8, 9. 9. 2 plus 1, counting on. 2, 3. So we get 39, just like it says up there. You guys, this is such an easy day. You have 2 pages, really easy pages. So I'm not going to do too much to show you, but what you have to do is basically just add all of the place value equations. So I'll help you with the first one. 1 and 6, 16. 1, 10, 6 ones. 12 is 1, 10, 2 ones. And we're going to add. What do we do first? What do we add first? The ones column. So let's add 6 and 2. And that makes 6, 7, 8. 1 plus 1. We know this, guys. 2. So the first one, A, is 28. We'll do the second one together as well, just because I like doing these. B, we're going to add 17, 1, 10, 7 ones, and 11, 1, 10, 1, 1. Start with which column? The ones column. 7 plus 1, 7, 8. Then we're doing the tens column. 1 plus 1, you guys have this, 28. All right, guys, I know you can do the next ones on your own, so I'm not even going to say any more. I'm going to move on to the next page you'll do today, which is your practice book pages. Same thing. So easy. In the little squares that you see right here, you're going to put the questions. Instead of horizontal, you're going to do it vertical, up and down. So you're going to take 21 plus 16 and you're going to write in that big box 21 plus 16 and add, okay? And find your answers. I know you guys can do this on your own. It is super easy peasy, wonderful, fun, and I'm so excited to see your work. Good job. Have a great day, you guys.